What did you say your name was?
Okay, I didn't say my name.
Oh.
What do you want for Christmas?
Okay,
What do you want for Christmas?
I would like a new pair of jeans.
Okay.
Are you Santa?
Yeah.
Are you Tortilla Santa?
No. Real.
You're the real Santa?
I'm the real Santa. Cheese.
Are you getting it to stick to your face okay, Santa? Or is that your real beard?
My real beard.
Well, your real beard is falling off.
It's okay. I can fix it.
Oh, okay.
Hello. My name is Santa. What do you want for Christmas?
I want a toy fire engine.
I don't have any of those. But I can give you a Lego toy helicopter.
A Lego toy helicopter?
Yeah.
Santa Claus, what do you want for Christmas?
I don't buy anything. I just have my own.
He's eating his beard.
Oh no! Weird.
I'm making it bigger.
All right, well, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So, what do you want for Christmas?
I want a Lego toy helicopter.
Okay, I have those.